This is BirdNote. Birds' songs and calls convey lots of messages, from "this is my territory" to "I'm looking for a mate" to "there's a predator nearby." But did you know that some bird songs contain secret messages? Like this sweet singing eastern bluebird. Bluebirds benefit from people setting up homes for them in the spring. In fact, when you reverse that song, you can hear
Nest boxes set up. Nest boxes.
"Oh, those little scamps." Or this familiar cry of the Canada goose. If we play that backwards,
You geese.
see God,
You geese.
see God. Huh. I guess that one's a bit more of a thinker. And of course, the tricky blue jay. Play that in reverse, and you get
April Fools. April Fools.
Learn more about the incredible and real abilities of birds at our website, birdnote.org.
I'm Mark Bramhill.